Hello guys, welcome to Gadget Girls. Today we are going to unbox this item right here. ये है MI का Air Purifier 3. Pollution is real. So if you're living in Delhi or any other polluted cities, you really need an air purifier. This is just an unboxing episode. क्योंकि like I said, Gadget Girls will give you only a review after using this product. इसको खरीदने से पहले मैंने गूगल में जाके रिसर्च किया ठीक से 2-3 दिन के लिए and I found the MI air purifier in so many articles and videos and stuff. तो मैंने Amazon और Flipkart में जाके देखा. This is really in my budget, that is around 10,000 rupees. And this is one of the most top selling air purifiers you can find right now. Okay guys, let's not wait now. Let's just go ahead and unbox this. So I'm just searching for the plug. Okay, the plug is not here in the box. Okay, here we have a compartment. Oh guys, if you buy this item, your plug is in this chamber right here. Okay. So guys, here you can see the HEPA filter, and this is a class 13 HEPA filter. It has a 3-layer composite filter inside. They say that it has 360-degree air intake and the air is gonna be purified and come out of this top compartment. This is the HEPA filter and this can be changed, and that will depend on how bad the pollution is. So अभी हमें पता नहीं है कि how efficient this single filter is going to be. Guys, the connecting point is at the bottom of this air purifier. Just gonna connect it. I'm plugging this. Let's wait. Yeah guys, you heard the sound. Okay, here you can see. Oh, okay, so I can see that the filter's efficiency or something of that sort is given right here. Right here it says filter remaining 100%. So it's on right now. Here what you can see is the temperature, that is the present temperature, and 63% is the humidity. And here we have the user manual. I will have to go through it. Let's see. Guys, I can feel the air coming out of the top vent. This has also an app which can be configured with this, so you can do all the controls, all the setting changes and everything through your phone app. So that is a really good plus point, guys. Here you can see the display of this purifier. So I'm just going to explain what all I can see right now. ये अभी green light है. This is the pollution indicator light. और अभी ये green है. When we switched it on, see, you can see the orange light. So the orange light indicates that there is a little bit amount of pollution in the air right now. And if this is red, that means guys, the pollution levels are really dangerous. So what we can do is, okay, so A means automatic, guys, so the machine itself is gonna register all the settings. And so guys, that's all about the unboxing. So now we are going to use this item for a week or 10 days or a couple of weeks. Then only we are going to review about this air purifier. Kyunki, like I said, in Gadget Girls, you will get an honest and practical opinion. So guys, till the next time, this is me, Sia, your host, signing off. See ya.